Bonjour tout le monde. Good day everyone. Je suis Arpita Garg. I am Arpita Garg. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre la famille. Today, we are going to learn the family. Basically, in this video, we are going to learn how to call or what to call the different family members in French. For example, in English, we say no, father, mother, brother, sister. Similarly, in Hindi, we say papa, mummy, bhai, behan, etc. Similarly, what to call the different family members in French will be discussed today. So, let us begin. The first one which we have is for father, and it is père. Listen carefully. Père. Père means father, okay? And another word for father in French is papa. What is it? Papa. Simply the papa we use in English, okay? And one more is père, right? The next one which we have for mother is mère. What did we do? We simply took the père for father, replaced the P with M, okay? Very easy to learn. Père is father and mère is mother. And another word for mère is maman. Repete, maman. Okay? So for father, we have père or papa. And for mother, we have mère or maman. Very good. Moving on to the next one, we have grandfather. So grandfather is very easy to write down in French. What we will do, we will simply take the père for father, okay? And we will put the word grand in front of it, okay? But be careful. The pronunciation will not be grand-père. It is in English. In French, it will be grand-père. D will not be pronounced. What it will be? Grand-père means grandfather. Very good. Next one we have for grandmother, and it will be simply what we will do. We will take the mère for mother and put grand in front of it. So it will be grand-mère. Très bien. Grand-père for grandfather and grand-mère for grandmother. Okay. Now, next one which we have for brother. Brother is frère. You just understand that wherever this letter E is written with such an accent on it, okay, accent or a line we can say, the pronunciation will be air, okay, like père, mère. Similarly, this will be frère. Bravo. Frère. Frère means brother. And a very simple way to learn it is that you must have heard of the word fraternity, right? What does fraternity mean? Fraternity means brotherhood. So from there only this word has come, frère. Okay. So frère means brother. And next one which we have for sister is sœur in French. Sister in French is called sœur. Okay. So what we have learned till now, keep on repeating and memorizing after me. Papa or père for father. Mother के लिए mère, very good, or maman. Third one which we have is grand-père for grandfather. Next we have grand-mère for grandmother. Then we have frère for brother. And then we learned sœur for sister. Okay. Now proceeding to the next one, we have for son. Son in French is fils. Listen again, fils. Okay. And daughter in French is fille, not fille. Fille is in English. It is in French, it is fille. The sound of IL in French is Y. Okay, ear. So it is fille. Son is fils and daughter is fille. Okay. Moving on to the next one we have is husband. Husband is called mari in French. Répétez après moi, mari. Okay. And wife is called femme, not femme. If we had to pronounce this word in English, we would have said femme. But this is not English, right? This is French. So we have femme for wife. Now again, we have the time to recapitulate what we have learned till now. Now you repeat and I'll say, okay. The first one we have for father is père or papa. Excellent. Then for mother, we have mère or maman. Then for grandfather, we have grand-père. For grandmother, we have grand-mère. Very good. Then for brother, what do we call brother in French? Bravo. We have frère. And sister is sœur. Excellent. Then son is fils and daughter is fille. Très bien. Okay. Then we learned husband. It is mari. You can see on your screen. And then we have wife and it is femme. Very good. Proceeding on to the next, we have for uncle, and uncle is simply oncle. Here is one trick to learn it. Just change the U to O. So uncle becomes oncle in French. And for aunt, we have tante. Listen again. Tante. Okay. So uncle is oncle and aunt is tante. Got it? Next we have for cousin. If the cousin is a male cousin, then we have cousin. Répétez après moi. Cousin. The sound of N will not be pronounced, right? So it is cousin. And if the cousin is female, then we have cousine. In the first one, the sound of N will not be there, while in the second one, the sound of N will be there. That is basically the difference, okay? Of course, the spelling is also different. So male cousin is cousin and female cousin is cousine. Moving on to the next one. For nephew, we have now in French. Répétez, now. Okay? And niece is nièce. I already told you that wherever you see this letter E with such an accent on it, the sound will go like air. So it is nièce. Very good. Now moving on to the next, we have for friend. Now if the friend is male, it is very good, ami. Okay. And if the friend is female, then surprisingly, it will again be ami. Shocked? No. The pronunciation will be same. Either it is a male friend or it is a female friend. The only difference will be of the spelling. There is just a difference of E, but the pronunciation will be the same. Okay, always remember this. And the last one which we have is for stepfather, and it is beau-père. So what did we do? We took père for father, like we did in the case of grandfather, remember? And for step, we use the word beau. So it is beau-père. E-A-U in French is O. Just remember, this is very, very important. So what is stepfather in French? Beau-père. Répétez. Beau-père. Okay. And what is stepmother in French? It is belle-mère. It is belle-mère. Okay. Before finishing, let's just do a quick exercise. I'll give you random family members' name and you just tell me what they are. And I'll also tell you the answer. Okay. I will do this for 5. Grandfather. Excellent. Grand-père. Sister. Bravo. Sir. Aunt. It is tante. Very good. Husband. It is mari. Excellent. And what we one more, let me give you, it is uncle. So it is oncle. Excellent. So that was all for this video. Thank you for watching. A bientôt.